Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You're getting hands-on. Wipe the lens and remove any case that blocks the module so nothing interferes. Open the camera app in Photo or Pro and position the iPhone 14 Pro close to the subject until the macro icon appears. This tells you the ultra-wide lens is active. Once you see that icon, slowly close the gap to roughly 2 to 3 centimeters. This proximity is what lets the macro lens resolve fine texture and depth. Make sure steady hands or a small tripod hold the phone to avoid blur. Now you compose. Tap the subject to set focus and hold to engage AE/AF lock so focus and exposure don't shift while you adjust framing. If highlights or shadows look harsh, drag the exposure slider down or up to balance detail. This preserves texture that macro photography reveals. Move just millimeters to refine composition. Tiny shifts change depth of field dramatically, so stabilize the phone on a small tripod or rest it on a surface. Once locked, take multiple frames to increase your chance. Finish by capturing several images. Use burst or live photo to gather micro variations in focus that you can pick later. If the camera hunts or can't lock, back away 1 to 3 centimeters. This often helps the lens require focus. Then move slowly forward again. In low light, enable night mode or add a soft LED to avoid high ISO and noise. The extra light preserves detail. If reflections or glare appear, change angle slightly. Review frames and repeat with small adjustments until you get the sharpest texture and color rendition.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.